Do you want to be able to check your standard chartered credit card limit? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to explain to you and show you exactly how you can check it. So to be able to do this on your computer, what you're going to do firstly is to go into their official website and then log in into your online banking. Step number 2 is going to be from left hand side menu, click where it says cards and then select card summary as you can see. Then step number 3, select card details to view the exact credit limit that has been assigned under the approved credit limit. So this is how to do this on your computer. But if you want to be able to do this on your mobile, then you need to basically log in into SC Mobile as you can see, so do so. And then step number 2, select the credit card. So select the exact credit card. Step number 3, go to card details on the top right section and view the credit limit assigned on your credit card. So this is basically exactly how to do this on your mobile, and this is how to do this on your computer.